In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is we need to open the command prompt. And how can we do that? We just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here we need to type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Now on the right pane, we have to click this option, run as administrator. So we are going to run the command prompt with administrative rights so that the command will work. And here we just need to simply run some commands, and these commands will be posted in the description section of this video. NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, NATSH space winsock space reset space catalog, hit enter. Next command, NATSH space INT space IP space reset log.txt, hit enter. Then type IP config space /flush DNS, hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, we just have to simply click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply look for network and internet. Then we have to simply scroll down, and here we can find the option advanced network settings. And here you'll find network reset. Click on that. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. Before you can go on with this process, make sure that you remember your connection password or your Wi-Fi password. You can back up with that by writing it in a sheet of paper, or just simply remember your Wi-Fi password. Click on the reset now button and click on yes. After that, this will restart your Windows. Then you have to re-enter your connection password, and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.